everybody. My name is Linda. What can you do for me? Well, I have severe pain in my shoulder.
Okay.
It's a frozen shoulder.
Yes.
And I have also pain in my neck because that's a long. It happened before a long time ago with 2 accidents, kind of whiplash.
Okay.
I had a lot of headaches.
So you mean several years ago?
No, the accident was in 1990 and 1991. So.
Oh yes, many years ago.
Many years ago.
Okay, so that injured your neck.
Yes.
And the shoulder came later.
March this year.
March this year.
Yeah. Okay. And I've got a lot of headaches normally.
Okay.
And it's also everything is on the right side.
Okay. Okay, just relax. Oh. Is it tender where I push here?
Tender means painful?
Not sensitive, I would say.
Sensitive. Okay.
Where I push here, is it tender?
Inside, you mean?
Yeah, inside, yes.
Yes, there's.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm needling on its kidney 5 usher. This one
Yes.
also. This is close to kidney 2.
Yeah, it's
A little bit.
Little bit.
Not that much. Okay. What about this one?
Yes, definitely.
This is closer to kidney 6. Then I'm needling kidney 3. Usher. And kidney 7. Usher 2. Okay. Now I would like you lean back. Yeah, relax and move a little bit your shoulder, move a little bit your neck. Gentle, don't have to be, yes. And can you tell me where do you feel the pain in your neck now? You can rotate a little bit, check.
At the end here.
Okay.
It's more almost at the shoulder, but there it's painful.
Okay. How much is it? Before it was 5, 6 in the neck. Now how much would you say?
Yeah, less.
Less?
2 maybe.
2?
Yeah.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good. So
Yeah.
more than half
Yeah.
less.
Yeah.
Very good. And the remaining 2 is here? Or
Downstairs.
downstairs. Okay, down there. Okay, now I would like you to tell me how you feel in the higher part, which was more like headache on your neck.
Yeah, I still feel it a little bit here,
Okay.
but not very strong.
Okay, so what that headache was about 4, 5.
Yeah.
Now how much would you say?
Oh, my headache is still there. Yeah.
But on that
Oh,
area.
on that area.
Yes.
1 or something.
1. Okay, so this very low.
Yeah.
The headache is still here, I believe. This
Yeah,
is
but
still...
it moved also now to the left.
Ah, okay. But the right side, so the right side is less.
Yes.
Okay, very good. What about your shoulder here? Without moving?
Oh, without moving.
Yeah.
Okay.
Without moving, we had a 3 before.
Yeah.
Yeah, take your time.
Okay. I don't think I can feel it anymore.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now I would like you to try this movement.
I still feel it.
Okay. How much more or less?
2 or 3.
2 or 3. Okay, instead of 4, 5, something like that. So can you precisely show me where do you feel it here when you do the movement? If you can be precise.
I try to.
Yeah.
Here.
Ah, it's more here. Okay. Huh? Okay. Thank you. Okay, then you can. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't want to step on your feet. Okay, and you say this headache is no more, or very little? It's mainly on the
now
other
it's
side.
moved to this.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Yes.
It's intelligent.
Yes. But on this side, I believe it's less.
Yeah.
It's not like it was before.
Or something.
Yeah, it's not so much either. Oh, okay, very good. So your headache overall is much lower.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Let me try to help you a little bit more with that one. I'd like to see if I could. Yes, let's see if I can get a better. Is it sensitive here?
Yeah, if you push really hard, but.
Okay. This one?
Yeah.
Ah, this one is more. Okay. So this is another part on kidney 3 usher. And I add one more slightly. Is this one? Yeah. Okay, so this is kidney 6.5. Okay. Now I would like you take time, you move everything a little bit. Okay. And then you tell me how is each area. The headache, the
headache, I'm sorry. The headache at the right of my head is gone.
it's gone.
Yeah.
Perfect.
There's a little bit slightly pain left here.
Okay.
Downstairs. My shoulder 0.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
But still pain here.
Okay. That one is how much?
4-5.
Oh, 4-5.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
It moved.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, we take care of that 4-5 then. But if I'm correct, it doesn't go like all the way, just here.
It's up here.
Up here. From this all the way to the side here?
No, just where my hand is.
Okay, all this.
Yeah.
All this area. Okay. I think when we try, let's try with this one. It's tender what I push? Okay, so I'm kneeling on the heart 8. Yeah, good one. Okay, now you take time, breathe in, breathe out. You can test a little bit your shoulder also this way.
I'm sorry. Can I do it like this?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for you.
Okay.
It's warm. I don't feel anything.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Do you start to feel change in the other side headache? The left side?
No, it's still there.
It's still there?
But more concentrated.
Ah, okay.
Smaller area.
Smaller area and more on the top.
Yeah, more.
Okay, very good. So I'm kneeling, lang 11. Okay, same thing, breathe in, breathe out. Tell me if you feel some relief on the left side of the head.
I'm sorry to say, but it's still there.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, no
But
problem.
it's more now like here.
Ah, so it's not the same area. So
Right,
the upper-
it's still there, but it's also
going down.
coming down now here.
Okay.
Is it possible?
How much is it here?
Here it's like still like 4 or 5.
4, 5.
But very small area.
Very small area,
Yeah.
or even smaller than before I put the needle.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you feel going here.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is 4, 5 too?
No, less.
Less.
Yeah.
Okay, and the eye also?
Yeah, until here. Yeah.
Until here. Okay, we just need to be more precise for that one.
I'm sorry.
Oh, no, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. No. We are chasing after the pain, so this is very normal.
Oh, it's normal.
Yeah, it's very normal we are doing that. Just your body's resisting, and it's good because we need to clear this. No, we need to clear it. You're responding very well. Every time I put a needle somewhere, you respond. It's just that the pain is in a way moving a little bit, so we just need to make sure we clear everything.
Okay.
Is it tender where I push?
Yes. It's
Some? Okay.
some, but maybe not.
Okay. So I put another needle by the distal interphalangeal joint on the lung. I want to try this one. Tender here. Not so sensitive.
There.
This one.
No.
Okay. So another lung 11 usher. Okay. And same. Breathe in, breathe out.
But it's almost gone. It's only upstairs now.
Only upstairs. Upstairs one. Okay. And this one is how much now?
3.
3. So it's going down.
Yes.
Okay. I think for now we give it a little time.
Yeah.
Okay. And maybe something like 10-15 minutes. Because I don't want to put too many needles. I think they will keep on working and it will reduce.
Okay.
If it's not the case, then I will add more.
Yeah.
Okay. But this area I believe I covered, so it should go down by itself.
Okay.
And everything else is cleared, so this will just need slightly more time. But you're responding is already from 4, 5 to 3, so and reducing in area. So I'm confident it will continue go down.